Yeah, so just cruising along down the highway, obviously snowing, and there's a lot of snow already on the ground. Once again in my 2005 Saab 95 Aero. The reason for the video, I just wanted to shoot another one, get it out there for you guys, and just to illustrate the point that this is a front-wheel drive car. However, what Saab's done with the traction control system and the ESP, it's basically, they're both tied into each other. It's not separate. It's actually quite remarkable. Obviously, it's not an all-wheel drive Subaru or something like that. But for what it is as a front-wheel drive car, there's a reason why, Swedish cars, for some reason, just perform that much better in the winter. Front-wheel drive or not, car's absolutely phenomenal in the winter. I've never gotten stuck, never had an issue. Like I said, the ESP system and traction control system are so perfectly tuned to get you through any driving condition. It's absolutely uncanny. Even cranking the wheel, and the car will rotate knowing exactly what direction it is that you want to go. And I mean, it does it immediately. Like, you can actually, this car, even though it's front-wheel drive, can and will act as a rear-wheel drive vehicle when it starts rotating. However, you're completely and utterly in control. It's crazy. Hopefully, I'll be able to find an empty parking lot. Obviously it's going to be an in-car thing, but hopefully you'll be able to see the rotation of what I'm talking about. But yeah, and other than that, these cars, a lot of people do ask how they are in the winter, and yeah, they're fantastic. The only drawback, because as I said, I do have an Aero, it does sit 10 millimeters lower than stock, and it has lower body skirt and lip and all that stuff. So unfortunately it does once in a while act as a snow plow. But other than that, this car is absolutely phenomenal. This is my second Saab. The one I had before was a 2004 Saab 93 Linear, and that car was phenomenal in the winter as well. So if you were wondering how they are in the winter, they're absolutely fantastic, and I endorse them, even though they're not even a company anymore. But yeah, anyway, that's about it. I'm out. Yeah, I forgot to mention before, the only annoying thing about having a car that is very good in the winter, in the snow, is when you come up on slow people. That's the only part that is really, really annoying. But okay, this time's a little different because I believe those are the snow plows up ahead. But yeah, it's just one of those things you have to deal with. A lot of people going a lot slower than you because their cars just can't deal with this kind of weather. But these things are built where the weather's like this pretty much all year round, so you're good to go. Alright, so here we are, found an empty parking lot, and this is, keeping my foot on, see, just like a rear-wheel drive car. That's all the ESP system just doing its thing. Absolutely remarkable. No gas, no brake, just turn the wheel and the car knows where you want to go. Absolutely perfect. Well, anyway, that was my quick demo of the Saab 95 ESP system from 2005. For a front-wheel drive car, handles brilliantly. That's it.